Hello, it's Bernadette Jansen, and today's tip is in the bathroom. So we're going to be talking about the joint between the wall tiles in the corners and also the corner between the floor and the wall. So that joint needs to be something flexible. It needs to be filled with silicone and not grout. And if you don't know this, often tilers will fill it with grout, and the first thing you know about it is when it turns up on a building report as a defect. And the reason why that's an issue, it's not about the look, it's about the functionality of it. Grout is inflexible, whereas silicone is flexible. And as time goes on and there's a bit of movement, if you've got grout in that joint, it will crumble and start to fall away. And then that will start to break down the waterproof membrane. By filling that with silicone, it's flexible, so if there's any movement, it will stay in place. And the waterproofness of your bathroom will stay intact. I hope that helps.